Hello everyone, welcome to Unit 1 of our presentation program. My name is Dennis, and today we are going to learn all about Microsoft PowerPoint, what it is, how to open it, and why we use it. So let's get started. To open PowerPoint, click the Start button at the bottom left of your screen. In the search bar, type PowerPoint. And press Enter. PowerPoint has opened to the Start screen. Here, you can create a new blank presentation or open a file you have worked on before. For now, let's click on the blank presentation. A new presentation is now open. You are looking at your first slide. This is where you will build your own slide by slide. Congratulations, you are inside PowerPoint. Now I'm going to walk you through the different parts of the PowerPoint screen. Knowing this part will help you work faster and more confidently. Let me start with the title bar. At the very top is the title bar. It shows the name of your presentation file. When you save your file, this name will update. Right now, it says Presentation 1 because we have not saved it yet. Just below the title bar is the ribbon. The ribbon is your main toolbox. It is divided into tabs. You can see we have Home, we have Insert, we have Draw, we have Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Record, Review, View, Add-ins, and Help. Each tab contains different groups of buttons. We will visit each tab in the later unit. Other functionality I would like to talk about is the slide panel. On the left side of our screen is the slide panel. Each small rectangle here is one slide in your presentation. Right now, we only have one slide. As you add more slides, they will appear here and you can click any of them to jump to that slide. The next one is the editing area. The large area in the middle is the editing area, or what we call slide canvas. This is where you design each slide. Click inside any text box to start typing. The very bottom is the status bar. It tells you which slide you are on. For example, now we are on slide 1 of 1. On the right side, we have the zoom control. Use the plus and minus buttons to zoom in or zoom out if the slide looks too small. In today's video, we have learned how to open PowerPoint application, and we have also looked at the 5 key parts of PowerPoint application. We've seen that we have the title bar, ribbon, slide panel, editing area, and the status bar. Now we'll continue in our next lesson how to create slide. So watch out, like and follow for more. See you in the next video.